Marla Stone, The Clutter Remedy. Hi, I'm Tim Romero, here today with Marla Stone, author of The Clutter Remedy, a guide to getting organized for those who love their stuff. Welcome, Marla. It's great to have you here.
Thank you, Tim. I really appreciate you having me here today.
I'm curious about some ideas you talk about in your book, The Clutter Remedy. What is the criteria for knowing what to keep and what to get rid of or discard?
The things that we keep in our life, first of all, are things that we use. So, for instance, your turkey platter, you may only use it once a year, but you're still going to keep it. The second thing are things that serve a purpose. For instance, the key to the fireplace, or community pool, or an extra key to the car, or even the little kit that fixes your eyeglasses. You may never use it, but you're still going to keep it because it serves a purpose. And then things that are sentimental. Our mementos, things that have been passed down to us, yearbooks, things we cherish, things that actually warm our heart. Those sentimental things we want to keep. And the last thing are things that we love. We want things that are beautiful around us, things that make us feel luxurious, and things like beautiful clothing or decor in our home, all the things we love, books, music, all the things that just make our heart excited. Those things we want to keep.
How does our emotions get in the way of remaining organized long term?
Well, our emotions, our negative emotions, actually will thwart us from being able to see our belongings clearly, first of all. Second of all, if there's any old traumas or wounds or grief and loss, it can color how we look at our objects, and it doesn't make things clear. So we want to be able to clear out any old cobwebs or any old negative feelings that are still lingering, and just make sure that we can see our belongings in our home or space or office clearly.
What do you mean by living an ideal lifestyle?
Living an ideal lifestyle means that we actually understand what we truly value in life. So when we know what we really love to do in life and what we want to do in life, and we have a really clear path to reaching our dreams and goals, it helps us to stay organized and perpetually organized. And so it's very interesting, but when I ask people what they truly value in life, they look at me with a perplexed view, because we're a lot of times going to just put one foot in front of the other, and we lose the sight of all the things that we truly love to do in life and want to do, and the dreams that we want to fulfill.
Why do people get organized only to get disorganized over and over again?
Well, people get organized and then disorganized over and over again because they really don't understand the process of organizing their belongings. So, and I call this perpetual organization versus perpetual disorganization. So the most important thing is to understand about categorizing all your belongings and then fine-tuning them and making good decisions about what you keep in your life. And then you will become perpetually organized.